Our first store was a very tiny space, located within International Plaza in Singapore's Central Business District.
Hi, morning.
This space was very simple, and we built it just to focus on one thing: to serve coffee and to do it well. Hi, my name is Will, and I founded Alchemist in 2016. For such a small space, we had to do everything with a clear purpose. The first element in this store was to ensure customers to step into this tiny space and be welcomed by our baristas.
Sure, we have two choices. Do you have any preference for it? I look at it. You want it?
The next element that you'll notice is how our coffee machine is placed at the back, leaving our work exposed. For us back then, this meant we had to set high standards for ourselves to showcase our craft with confidence. Without a coffee machine between the barista and the customer, the third element was to have an open bar, where conversations can take place naturally. We also chose to use stainless steel elements for most of this store. It wasn't about looking good. Instead, we focused on cleanliness and its practical use. The last element was having a simple and straightforward menu that was easy to read. We started with a black and white letterboard that has now become a staple to every store. Today, you will still find these elements from our first store, kept consistent across every new store. They have now become a part of our brand identity. When we first opened in 2016, third wave coffee culture was at its peak. There was a new cafe opening almost every week. And beside our first store at International Plaza, there were also traditional and commercial cafes from earlier waves of coffee culture. This was when we knew we had to define ourselves clearly. We interpreted third wave coffee culture in our own ways, through quiet commitment to quality, without barriers that could sometimes make coffee feel too exclusive or intimidating. We just wanted to serve coffee that is consistently good enough for the everyday drinker. And from that moment, our philosophy took shape. Alchemist was, and still is, never about following trends or keeping out different ways of coffee culture. Our mission is to make quality coffee approachable and accessible. By being grounded in simplicity and to serve quality coffee with consistency, we are confident that we are building something that will last.